Okay, so here I am in Glendale, Utah. I'm just about to pull into Paul with Fab Rats shop. According to my
In a quarter
GPS,
mile, turn right onto West 400 South Riverview Lane.
Right there, as we speak. My GPS is telling me how to get where I'm supposed to be going. Oh, here we go.
Whole way down there.
Look at that. We got a trailer load of awesomeness going on here. Got Paul's FJ on there and the old tow truck on the back trying to balance it out and not kill my 3/4 ton.
Hello.
And why not? The one tire I didn't replace on the trailer. Why wouldn't it happen? But we'll get it aired up and we'll figure it out. That's why I carry spares. We are making the turn right here to head into Hammertown. Yeah, turning off 247. Heading that direction.
Turn left onto Bloom Road.
Looks like a horrible dust storm out there. So sweet. Oh, here goes the Broncos. Bronco. Now here it is, Hammertown in Johnson Valley, California. Entire town built in a couple weeks for the King of Hammers race. Okay, so we are meandering back through the campgrounds, headed from Turkey Claw over to back to Hammertown to the BFG tent. Broke something in the front end of the truck. Went down in there to went just side by side over and kind of got into a spot I probably shouldn't have been in. Snapped a front axle, either an axle shaft or a hub. Never broke one of these Yukon hubs, so I'm pretty sure it's a shaft. But I'm gonna get back over here and I'll check it out. And hooray! So 3-wheel drive for right now. Yeah.
Okay, right on.
All right, there. We broke the shaft. So it's not a hub. Which still have excellent record with Yukon hubs. Only ones I haven't broke.
What you fixing, Rory?
Oh, broken axle shaft parts.
What'd you do?
I left Moab. Left my security blanket. Broke stuff. I want to do a Rory style rant on Rory's channel. Yeah? Yeah. Well, now, see, now I've got Matt here to show me how I should be doing it and how I should have a camera person. Whee! Whee!
Is there anything we can wedge in there?
Try that right now.
I guess it's a lot better if I give you a little bit of a chance to get where you need to be.
Carrot. Like white.
Right up your nose.
See, my plan is when I get this off, I'm going to take my grinder and I'm going to cut a little angle in it so I can just chase it around with my punch.
Oh, that's some good thinking.
Yeah. Now we just gotta get it.
Well, now the camera's here.
What?
Oh, there we go. Did you get that yet?
I need some reaction when you guys get it done, please.
I just gave it. I'm like,
Hooray!
But we can't see your face.
all right, so
Thank you, Matt.
Rory has all the tools he needs to take this hub off in Moab. About 8 hours away from here, 9 hours. Oh yeah, Rory. I need these back.
Okay.
Take them.
Okay.
I'll weld it on. Danny Ogden. I love Danny. I like him. So you're
We're from Richfield.
yeah, and what are you to Danny?
Good friend. We've been friends forever.
Making me feel bad, Jamie.
Why?
God, I hate it when people film for me. Making me feel bad.
Why? You deserve someone filming for you. Except for I can't get the right light, so you might look at my filming and be like, what in the world? I wish I was doing it myself.
I doubt that. Alright, I need a socket.
Where did you do this at?
I don't.
Turkey claw.
Turkey claw. I think he's out there rescuing somebody and. What brand of active is that?
Yep. Yep. It's definitely one of those.
You think they need your help?
No, I'm just spectating.
I'm just kidding.
I'm a spectator.
They do need your help because it took them a while down there.
Did it bring back memories of Hot King, or not Hot King, Peekaboo?
Oh yeah.
Madar broke his.
I was
Yep.
gonna say, am I in the way? Because yours is all put together.
No, we're wiring it. That's why I snuck out here. Chad was wiring, so I just left. There we go.
That'd be awesome to make that work, man.
One way or another.
You saved my butt in Moab before, man. If I can pay you back with a broken axle shaft, I'll do that.
It's
I
awesome.
remember
appreciate
stopping
it.
by your shop to ask you at DJS.
Yeah,
and
for a fan.
My fan blew up. You're like, man, got one right here. Here you go. No questions asked. So, my broken trunk can fix your broken trunk.
Yeah.
Things work out good.
You think you can smash it through? You're gonna.
Have you seen the size of my hammer? I got this.
Do they call that a? Are you gonna be able to broach that? Here, let
Hey,
me
can
run
you
a
make this
bore,
one
let me
work?
run a burr over that for like. Oh, look at this.
Got one.
Oh. Well, if we have one just sitting here, set on doing stuff right.
That's unusual.
Look at that.
When the cameras are rolling, I like that.
All of you guys that work for Matt, when you're not around, he actually still works. A little.
Only when I break stuff or something.
Only for Rory, Rory says.
Yeah. Well, Jamie wants to ride in Trail Mater. And what Jamie wants, Jamie gets.
Oh, please.
Is that true?
I guess.
That looks precision. We'll leave you to her.
Huh? That's a factory 70 shaft. That's a factory Spicer.
Oh.
So, it's not chrome
I
molded.
had one that's chrome molded.
Yeah.
What did these big ones come in? The 30
70s.
ones.
The 70s.
Oh.
Yeah.
You're right, because you didn't say 60.
That's why I said 70.
Look at this pure talent. Two at once.
I was helping.
You're still helping. Knocked on both of them.
I know.
So then they're just done.
I'm bringing it to you. I was cleaning them.
You know, do this with my safety glasses.
Here, you want mine?
No, you gotta squint. That's the way it
Okay,
works.
safety squint.
Yeah.
Tell us why you're doing that.
So I'm giving myself a notch to put a chisel to tighten it up because we don't have the socket. Since the last time I was in Hurricane, we stole these off your axle. That's what Matt told me anyway.
Oh, off my Jeep. Personally.
Off your 70 axle is supposed to go in your Jeep, I guess.
Oh. Gotcha.
Whoa. I told on you, Matt.
Off of a derby axle.
Rory said they came off the ones that were supposed to go on my Jeep.
Yep.
Good story, Matt.
I thought it was a hammer. They don't work. I thought you just pushed them on. We're almost there.
Almost.
There it is.
Rory,
Someone would love to watch Rory do it for hours.
I'm trying to get Rory to talk more.
Yeah, I kind of have that problem.
So I keep asking him
I'll
questions.
ramble all over when I'm the one holding the camera and talking to myself. But then when people are standing there going, talk, dance, monkey, I don't do well.
That's why I keep asking you questions, but I should have been videoing this. What are we missing?
The snap ring that goes on the end of this shaft. Rory says he remembers not taking it off.
How important is that?
It's not really. It's not life or death. If we have it, it would be nice to put it on. If we don't have it, we're going to be okay.
It's pretty important because it's front weight. All half an ounce of it.
Oh,
Oh,
front
wait.
weight. Look, did you see
Ballast.
how stumped Matt and I were?
It's front weight.
wouldn't use the word perfect, but it works.
Everything happens.
What do you need?
Spring.
Oh, I should have been cleaning it. Oh, I let you down.
You need a new helper,
Super
Rory.
not worried.
I mean, this has rocks on it. It's not sand.
It's good. All right, hope some bearings break in. Can you push the axle shaft out?
Yeah, can I do it with my fingers?
Yeah. There, perfect. Thanks, sir. It's called nature's Loctite when you cross thread it. So that holds the hub on better. More better.
Keep it from backing off.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
All right, well, we got the truck back together, and Jamie did an amazing job filming and trying to get me to talk, even though I'm horrible at it when someone else is holding the camera. But truck is back together. Thank you so much for that. You did great, and yeah, I actually have footage of me doing stuff. New axle shaft is in. It's not new, it's used. I got it from Marvin, threw it in there. He had broke the U-joint and twisted the ears, and I hammered them kind of straight and made them work. So luckily BFG Garage is here and let us use a bay. Paul's over here wiring lights in his FJ. And like I said, this is what BFG does. They give you a spot with welders, grinders, tools, everything you need. They'll do it, let you do it, whatever. BFG is super awesome at all these events where they bring the garage out and set it up to help just normal wheelers, not necessarily racers, just normal people. And it's super cool to be a part of, and really awesome. So thanks for watching.